We'll see how to open a non-registered account on Wealthsimple app in simple, easy step. And for this, let's go to the computer screen. When you click on non-registered account, you come here and you see these 4 options, this section, and here you see there are 4 different options. What they are? When you choose this stock options and ETF, basically here you are self-directing your investment. You buy and sell your investment yourself. You are in full control of what you invest in, and this is when you are comfortable making your own decision. You're looking for flexibility and customization, and you're looking for investing for growth. You decide what to invest in and when. And here you see it mentions low fee. I'll explain in detail how this works with example, but for now, just remember this part. When it comes to margin investing, it's flexible and you can borrow or can use the cash. So basically here you invest using your own money, or from the money what you have deposited, you borrow from brokerage to increase the buying power. Both options are available here depending on what your strategy is. The option 1, where you invest your own cash, you only invest the money what you have already in the account, and then you make it work like self-directed or portfolio account. All gains are taxable since margin account is non-registered account. Basically, invest safely without borrowing, taxed like a normal investment account. So this is the option 1. In the option 2, you can borrow to invest. That's why it's called margin. Basically, you borrow money from the brokerage to increase your investment beyond your cash balance. There is a potential gain increase, but also losses also magnify accordingly. Again, when you borrow, there is an interest which is charged on the borrowed money. I'll talk about this in detail as we go into the video. But for now, just remember this, and margin calls may require adding cash or selling asset if your account value drops. So while this amplifies growth with leverage, it is also higher risk and cost. When it comes to portfolio, you see here, invest with confidence in portfolios built by our professional team. Wealthsimple professional team builds this portfolio and offers this to you. So there's going to be some fee on this portfolio. Work with an advisor. Here you get a customized plan and dedicated support. Here you work with an advisor, and that's how you get this personalized investing support. Basically, the advisor will help you design and manage your strategy based on your need, what's ongoing, what customization you need, and basically tailoring the plan based on what you give as an input. That's the work with an advisor. Based on what you choose, you open your account and then you will get an account number assigned. You can check out detailed video in the description where I have given link, and thanks for watching.